Hi, my name is Jimmy Lick from Joy Riders TV Productions, and today we're going to learn how to use the magic wand tools. The first thing you want to do is open up any photo that you want, and you can go over to the magic wand. Now there's two different types of magic wands. There's a quick selection and a magic wand. In quick selection, you can click and drag around an image that's in focus if the background is out of focus, and the computer will automatically try to detail the edges. Now you can see here that it kind of came into the focused image, so if you hold down Alt, it actually can take that away if you just click and drag over it, and it'll resample the edge and add it back in. That's how the quick selection tool works. Control D deselects what you have, and you can choose the magic wand tool. Now using the tolerance up here, the more tolerance you give it, the more it'll pick up in the image. So if I just click, it'll try to click, or it'll pick up certain colors. So you see this window in the background, it's all dark. It'll basically pick that up. So it's picking up too much, and if I just want to get that box, I will actually lower my tolerance. So it picks up, we'll lower it down to about 30 and try to click in there, and you can see that it selects more of that image. If you want to get a little bit more detailed, you can hold down Alt, and that takes away some of the subtraction. So if I wanted that corner gone, if you click on the magic wand tool again and select magic wand instead of quick selection, what you can do is you just click on different images, and it'll select depending on how bright or how dark the pixels are. You can see that I'm over selecting things. So say I just wanted to select this box over here, I would lower my tolerance, say maybe down to 30, and what it's going to do is it's only going to select the dark pixels that I click on. So if I click right in the middle, it should select just the black area. That's pretty good actually. So that's pretty much how you use both of those magic wand tools. I'm Jimmy Lick from Joy Riders TV Productions, and that's how you use the magic wand tools.